Okay, this is number 9 on page 3 of the thermodynamics packet. This problem says that the heat of combustion of gaseous ammonia is 81 kilocalories per mole. How much heat is evolved in the reaction of 34 grams of ammonia with excess oxygen? So I went ahead and show you here the reaction of ammonia with oxygen. It produces nitrogen gas and water. And notice to balance it, it's a 4, 3, 2, 6. However, for a lot of these thermodynamics equations, you have to write it in terms of 1 mole of this principle here. And so I went ahead and changed all the coefficients to make this 1. I had to divide everything by 4. And you can do that in these types of problems where if you need a fractional coefficient, then you can work it out. Alright, so then it does tell me that this reaction is very exothermic, negative 81 kilocalories per mole. You can see that we go from 4, 5, 6, 7 to 6, 7, 8 molecules. The entropy is probably also positive here. So once you get this thing rolling, it's going to be quite spontaneous. So then, the question is, how much heat is evolved? Well, if we have 34 grams of NH3, you'll notice that that would be, if you work it out, since the molar mass is 17 grams per mole, very simple math would say that when you divide by 17, you get 2 moles of NH3. Now on the AP exam, they don't let you use calculators for this type of problem, so no doubt they'll give you fairly round numbers or numbers that you can work with rather easily. So now if it's 2 moles of NH3, we go ahead and apply that to this amount. This is for 1 mole. So for 2 moles, it's going to have to be double that, or negative 162 kilocalories. Now the packet here says positive 162, and that's okay. The answer has to be selection E, although I will remind you that since this is exothermic, it is a negative 162 kilocalories.